Educator. Evelyn, generalist ako. Of course, magaling ako mag-demo. Children, sing! Paatuan, balikan ulo. Once more! Paatuan, balikan ulo. Very good!
We are science educators. Of course, lagi mainit yung ulo namin.
Ano mainit yung ulo? Hindi naman mainit yung ulo natin. Hindi naman kalmado nga lang tayo. Ba't naman hindi mo sinasabi yan sa videos?
Di tama, mainit na naman.
We are EDX students. Of course, demo-demo lang yan.
O yung research natin hindi pa tapos.
Kailan ba deadline yan?
We are science educators. Of course, we know how to use traditional and digital learning materials.
O yung mga presentation report mo.
O ito yung report natin bukas sa aralis mo. We're science educators. Of course, we're good at time management. Do you know also may report pa?
We're science educators. Of course, we love colored pens.
We're science educator. Of course, we're studying during our break time.
We're science educator. Of course, marami kaming tulong.
We are science educators. Of course, we have loud and clear voice.
Be, isa pa hindi marinig.
We have loud and clear voice.
Isa pa, lakas pa.
We have loud and clear voice.
We're science educator. Of course, marami kaming pera. Be, magkano yung pinapit ko sa'yo?
150.
Oh, 50? Grabe naman. Pwede ba pupusan lang yung iba?
We are science educator. Of course, mahaba ang pasensya namin. Yes, Sir Manuel?
Yes, ma'am.